Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, power off and disconnect everything to avoid shorts. Look into the USB-C port with a bright light and magnifier. You want to see bent pins or lint. Once visible, blow out loose debris with short bursts of compressed air, not continuous force. If you spot grime, use a plastic pick or toothpick gently along the edges to dislodge it. Make sure not to force metal tools onto pins. Plastic prevents accidental bending or shorting as you prepare for the next step. Once debris is cleared, zoom in and identify bent or lifted pins. Knowing which pins matter prevents unnecessary moves. With steady hands, use a fine plastic pick or wooden toothpick to nudge pins back into line. Small, controlled motions work better than forceful pushes. If pins are inaccessible or solder joints look cracked, remove the device's screws and open the housing to access the board. Keep screws organized and note connector orientation. Make sure to ground yourself to avoid static discharge before touching the PCB. After realignment, reassemble the device, ensuring the USB-C port seats flush and screws follow the original pattern. Misalignment can cause repeat damage. Power on and test with 2 known good cables and check both charging and data transfer, because one function may be restored before the other. If problems persist, intermittent connection, loose housing, or broken solder pads, replace the port module or enlist a soldering repair. Persistent faults often stem from damaged pads or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.